for me, bro.
Jew man, what you got to say? Say for the
That shit
camera.
nothing, man. You know what it is, Charlotte, North Carolina, you know.
That man with the tats, the leg tats, the arm tats.
Got everything boom, blah, bang, nigga.
Yeah, a couple more things and she'll be ready.
I don't see why not, though. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Like, once I get the little light and this shit right here, once I get that fixed, she good to go. She good as gone. Packing the mail. Alright, y'all, so this is the infamous $1,200 Charger right here. It's a 08 with 197,000 miles on it. It was what, $1,200 with fees. It was like what, $1,440. So $1,200 car. I put some brand new tires on there. The tires was all the way bald. They painted these. It don't look that good, but I was thinking about getting it off. But for the price I'm selling it for, I ain't gonna even deal with it. I ain't even got the keys with me today. Brand new tires all the way around, got all the grass on it from driving over here. I actually had the light here when I got it, but it was loose. So it fell out when I was driving down the road. But I got another one, about to replace it. This right here, but that ain't bad. It came from Virginia. Got a little Virginia inspection sticker on it. Real clean body, for the price at least. Got the all-wheel drive. I didn't realize that till like 2 days after I bought it. Got a little rust around this spoiler right here. But yeah, she locked up. Can't show y'all the inside, but she decent, real decent. I think I'm done. Well, nah, I gotta do one more thing to it. It's like a bushing. Let's see. Can't hear it now, but it's a bushing down there that needs to replace. Alright, that's it. $1,200 Charger. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention how she run. When I got her, she had the engine light on for a O2 sensor and a misfire. It ended up being a bad fuel injector and downstream O2 sensor. Replaced those two bad boys and she rolling good now. Alright, that's it. $1,200 Charger.